gonna lick it everywhere you want. Up on the teacher in. I get you. Sure. If you sit down for now, I say why you for now. Yeah, are you ready for me? Baby girl, I be saying me love your eye. Your eye. You look like a butterfly shaper. Okay. You know what a speckle there. Baby girl, tonight I'm gonna lick it everywhere you want. Up on the teacher in and this the time or about the air. Something my killer. Your eye alone kill me. Your nose, hey, baby girl, I mean say, me I feel like it.
Hey y'all, so I'm at Italian ice cream place and I've gotten pistachio ice cream. I'm going to try it. So this is pretty much how it's looking. So I decided to get this because I watched a certain cartoon and the Italian mafia always liked to eat pistachio ice cream, and so I decided to try it out. Hopefully it tastes good. So let's give it a taste test. So I also took some toppings, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Tastes good, so yeah.
Hello lovelies, so I bought biscuits and then I added few toppings. I added cornflakes and some stuff, so I'm coming to have a taste of it. So you are invited. It's nice, trust me. It's nice. It's nice. Mine is biscuits. What did you buy? It's nice. Let me taste yours. Yours is not bad. Mine is nicer. Okay, so I'll give it 10.5 over 10.
10.5 over 10. Hey. Yo, I give it 8.5. The pistachio is not like 10, so yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm done with it or whatever. My friend is about to finish it first. First. I don't even know. Hey, cremosa. Anyway, so yeah. That's pretty much it. After taking the whole thing, I was saying it's 8.5. After taking the whole thing, I give it 6.5. You know what I'm saying?
So you,
I'm about to snap hair pictures. to you later. Hey y'all, so I'm literally heading out. It's a different day and I decided to pick up the camera and talk to you guys. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, without wasting much time, I'll just show y'all my outfit and we'll head out. You know what I'm saying? Alright, sure. So I'm giving y'all a quick OOTD. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all. You know what I'm saying? And this bag and I'm having jewelry. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so we are Primos, the place we came 3 days today, and I'm literally coming to try a different ice cream, like the one that my friend got. So we are here to try it again. So when they come in, let's start interested people. So they like to introduce themselves or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So this is hello.
As usual.
And this is money woman. This is
I'm Junior.
Junior. Honorable.
I'm Kevin.
Okay.
Kevin the left.
Okay.
If it didn't fall, it's boring.
Okay. It's mad.